Namaskar. Let me first introduce myself. I am Nijara Das and currently working as a teacher in an English medium school. So as I am discuss about human digestive system to class 10 or chapter 6 or about in nutrition in human beings that human digestion kotha ase. So actually human digestive system ki in board kida class I pao. Even in class 7 also you got about human digestion. Then in class 10 ot etia jontu tumaloke pai asa. Even in higher classes also means like in class 11 also you will get about human digestion or human digestive system. Then jodi 12 or pisot tumaloke medical kora naiba jodi BSc kora in zoology, there also you will get about human digestive system. So difference to just that je class 7 at hoitu just basic knowledge eta paba. Then in class 10 tatke all higher level, in class 11 in detail, then higher. So level will increase, means minute bostu ba horu bostu bur besi janiba. So let us not waste time and proceed to our discussion. So here this is the diagram of human digestive system. My beleg color use korisu to for different organs so that you can understand easily. Okay, and also labeling mo duta language et korisu in English as well as in Assamese, so that English medium students as well as Assamese medium students can also watch this video jate olop holeo jot doubt ase tumalokor ba ji buji poa nai ekhine jate tumalake buji poa. Okay, so human digestive system actually, here you can see it consists of human alimentary canal and associated digestive glands. So total digestive system ki hoy duta part divide koribo pari, human alimentary canal aru logote jekhini digestive glands thake. Etia human alimentary canal mane ki? So human alimentary canal means the structures. It involves from mouth to anus. So mouth to anus juntu structure ase, the entire structure is known as human alimentary canal. And the digestive glands, these are actually not part of the human digestive system, but these glands helps only in digestion. So juntu amar digestion hoy, we take food ami khao, tarpora ki hoy amar food bur digestion hoy. Okay, it breaks into simpler substance and in that process these glands helps. So first ami ki korim, we'll study about different structures. First ami structure kini some different organer, tar pisot hey organ khinir function to ki we'll discuss about that, and after discussing function we will proceed the actual process of digestion. So let us first see about mouth, the structure of mouth. So mouth is also known as buccal cavity and mukh kohobor buliu koy, means Okhomiyat mukh kohobor buli koy. So mukh kohobor bitorot ba inside the mouth we have tongue, jibha, and we have teeth. We all know mukhor bitorot amar ki thake tongue thake and we have teeth. So if you have ever observed kitabu jodi observe korise je tongue upper surface, it means in the upper surface or we can say in the dorsal surface ki hoy kisuman dotted structures thake like this. Yeah, so kisuman ki hoy dotted structures, enakwa kisuman dotted structures you will find. So these dotted structures are actually the taste buds. Jodi swa nai aji sai loba. So these dotted structures are actually ki hoy taste buds hai. So kiba eta diar lage lage ami jetia kiba khao জিভাত দিয়াৰ লগে লগে কি হয়, উই ফিল সাম টেষ্ট, লাগিলে মিঠাই হওক বা তিতাই হওক টেঙা হওক যি হওক আমি কি হয় টেষ্টটো পাওঁ. সো দিজ আৰ একচুৱেলি কি হয় টেষ্ট, সেইটো কিহৰ কাৰণে পাওঁ, বিকজ দিছ টেষ্ট বাডছ আৰ প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইন আৱাৰ টাং. সো এডিশ্যনেল কথা এটা ইয়াত, সো একচুৱেলি চুগাৰ টেষ্টৰ কাৰণে যিখিনি টেষ্ট বাডছ দিছ ইজ প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইন দ্য টিপ অফ দ্য টাং, means সন্মুখৰ ফালে থাকে. সো সুগাৰ যদি চেনিৰ ভালকৈ টেষ্ট ল'ব বিচাৰা দেন ইউ put sugar in at the tip of your tongue. তেতিয়া বেছি মিঠা পাবা. Then bitter কাৰণে bitter tasteৰ কাৰণে যিখিনি taste buds থাকে, this is present at the base of the tongue. Okay, so সেই taste buds খিনি কি হয়, base means পিছফালে টাঙৰ তোমালোকৰ পিছফালে থাকে. So salty and sour taste means নিমখীয়া বা টেঙাৰ টেষ্টটো যদি ল'ব খোজা তেতিয়াহ'লে জিভাৰ কি কৰিবা, ছাইডত থ'বা, তেতিয়া বেছি টেঙাটো ফিল কৰিবা নাইবা বেছি নিমখীয়াটো ফিল কৰিবা. So this is all about tongue. Okay, so next we will proceed to esophagus, যোনটো গ্ৰাহনলী বুলি কয়. So esophagusত we can see this is actually a hollow pipe-like structure. এটা কি হয়, means ফুপুলা ভিতৰটো. So esophagus কি কৰে, it just connects the mouth to the stomach. ই মাত্ৰ কানেক্ট কৰে. ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত একো তেনেকুৱা বেলেগ means structure নাথাকে. যেনেকৈ মাউথৰ ভিতৰত কি আছিলে, টাং, দেন টিথ যোনবোৰ থাকে. So ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত একো বেলেগ structure নাথাকে. So this is esophagus. Then actually esophagus to connect কৰিছে কি, stomach. So diaphragm to আমি অলপ পিছত পঢ়ি আছো. First I am explaining about the stomach. Okay, so stomach to কি হয়, this is a J shaped. You can see তোমালোকে দেখি আছা. So J to আমি এনেকৈ লিখো নাই. So this is a J shaped organ. Okay, so J shaped organ and it is present slightly in the left side. আমাৰ বডিৰ কি হয়, slightly left side ৰ ফালে stomach to থাকে. So in stomach actually there two sphincters are present. Okay, this as first আমি structure বোৰ পঢ়ি আছো. So suppose this is the stomach. Okay, esophagus and this is the stomach. So ইয়াত কি হয়, দুটা sphincter থাকে. So sphincter means a kind of opening. এটা sphincter থাকে ইয়াত and another sphincter is present here. এতিয়া কথাটো হ'ল that why these sphincters are present আৰু এই sphincters বোৰৰ কি হয়, প্ৰয়োজনটোনো কি, what is the need, just এতিয়াৰ কাৰণে জানি থোৱা that these sphincters are necessary, বহুত বেছি important. But কিয় necessary, that we'll study after few minutes. Okay, so next is the small intestine. Here so small intestine corpora start hoy, not from here, actually small intestine starts from here. Okay, so small intestine or actually তিনটা part থাকে, যদি তোমালোকৰ টেক্সট বুকত নাই, means এতিয়া হিমান খিনি প্ৰয়োজন নহয়. But if you want actually জানি থোৱা to বেয়া নহয়, this part is known as the duodenum. Okay, so এইটো যোনটো part, this is known as what, duodenum. After that যোনটো coiling part হয়, actually small intestine কি হয়, বহুত বেছি long structure, but just coil format থাকে কাৰণে হেতু ইমান মানে means ইমান দীঘল বুলি কম পোৱা নাযায়. So it is present in coil form. Okay, then it will be connected to the large intestine or we can say বৃহদান্ত্ৰ অসমীয়াত. So এই small intestine কি হয়, এটো হল first part, that is duodenum. So this is second part. Okay, so second part is the jejunum. আৰু যোনটো third part হয়, means this is the third part, is যোনটো large intestine লগত connect কৰিব, and this third part is known as the ileum. Single u. Okay, ileum, ILEUM. So this is the ileum. So কিহৰ কাৰণে থাকে, about the functions of these three different parts of the small intestine we will discuss. Then the small intestine is connected to the large intestine. So here you can see this is the large intestine. Okay, so this large intestine again divided into three parts. This is also not given in your book because you don't require this much in class 10. So like this. Okay, large intestine, this is the large intestine. But length of sabo gole large intestine to ki hoy, small intestine ke horu in case of length, just wide hoy besi means bohol hoy, small intestine to ki thin in comparison to large intestine. So large intestine to tinta part thake. First part is known as the cecum, means this part, ekhini first part kan yar por start hoyese. So this is the cecum. Then this part is the colon. This is the middle part, colon. and after that this is the rectum. Okay, so this part is the rectum. From mouth to anus, the alimentary canal, about the structures of alimentary canal we have studied. Dekhilo ki structure thake. Then about the associated digestive glands. So the associated digestive glands ke the ki. Okay. First we will start from buccal cavity. So buccal cavity eta associated digestive gland thake, and that gland is known as what? Yes. Here I will write. That gland is known as salivary gland. Okay, so a gland to kot thake in buccal cavity, mane mouth. Okay, so salivary gland kyo thake helps in secretion of an enzyme that is known as salivary amylase. Okay, so it secretes salivary amylase. Now, why this salivary amylase is required? So, so salivary amylase to ki hoy eta enzyme. Enzyme means what? It will speed up. It will increase the speed of the reaction. So, food we take, I mean, khao, tarpor as a breakdown hobo to simpler substance. Keneke hobo. After various reactions, both kiba reaction hobo, that chemical reactions hobo, chemicals release hobo, breakdown hobo, then only tar pisothe ki hobo, digestion hobo, means it will be breakdown into simpler substance. So heburo karone means enzyme ki kore, he reaction buro speed to increase kore die. It increase the rate of the reaction, and that is known as enzyme. So tenoko eta enzyme ki secrete kore salivary gland. So salivary amylase or key function we will study. Okay, so after that first gland we got a salivary gland. Next gland is what? This is liver. You know what? Liver is the largest gland of our body. Liver to our body sabotke largest gland hai. Okay, so in liver one juice is secreted which is known as bile. Okay, so in liver what is secreted? Bile juice. So bile juice is secreted by liver. Okay, so bile juice key function we will study. Just আমি গম পালো যে bile juice বুলি এটা কিবা juice আছে যোনটো juice কি secrete কৰে liver এ. Third gland is the pancreas. Okay, so this is the pancreas, and pancreas to what again? Can you see its position? It is present in loop between the stomach and the what? This is duodenum. Okay, means this is the first part of the small intestine. So this is means pancreas is present in a loop between the stomach and the duodenum. So what pancreas will secrete? Liver secretes bile juice, one juice or naam hoy palu. Then pancreas will also secrete a pancreatic juice. So pancreas will ki koribo eta pancreatic juice secrete koribo. That juice contains two enzymes, trypsin and lipase. Okay, so these are two different enzymes. Here trypsin or lipase kyo thake, what are their function, we will study. So structures we have completed. Okay, the entire digestive system or jikhini structures theke jikhini organs involved ase, jikhini digestive glands involved ase, we have studied everything. Okay, and next we will study about the functions. Okay, functions of each organ. So first is what? Mouth. So mouth contains tongue and the teeth. So teeth helps in chewing of the food. The food we take, I mean ji khao, that food needs to be broken down into some smaller pieces, isn't it? So teeth helps in breaking of the food. Okay, then what is the function of the saliva? So because here salivary gland is present inside the buccal cavity, and the function of the saliva actually that it helps in mixing of the food. Food kini bhaldore ki kore mix kore saliva. So So saliva ki thake, it contains water and other substances, মানে কিছুমান বেলেগ বেলেগ substance তাত থাকে, and সেই other substanceৰ মাজতে enzyme পৰে যোনটো হল কি salivary amylase. The food we take, it is broken down into smaller pieces by the teeth, then it is mixed with saliva, আৰু এইটো saliva লগত mix কৰি পিনে foodটো কি কৰিলে এটা means bolus form কৰে. So bolus means actually it is the chewed food mixed with saliva. যেতিয়া ফুডটো চুবাই পিনে saliva লগত mix কৰি যোনটো structure form হয়, so সেইটোকে কোৱা হয় bolus. Okay, so the food mixed with saliva will pass from esophagus to stomach. So when this food will be passed, actually food to any directly pass নহব, actually ইয়াত এটা movement হয়. Okay, so food khini ki hoy, the movement by which the food passes, that movement is known as peristaltic movement. So peristaltic movement to kenake hoy, suppose if we consider this is the esophagus, means normal, so the first part when contracts, the next part relaxes. Okay, so enake eta movement hoy thake food or ekhini contraction hol means sepi gol, then এইটো part কি হল relax হল, তাৰ মানে ফুড খিনি আলাকে আহিল, then next again this part will contract, তেতিয়া এইটো part contract হোৱাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ব, এই ফুড খিনি আকৌ next part লৈ আহিব. Okay, then next again this part will contract and this part will relax, like that the food will pass to the stomach. So this movement is known as what, peristalsis, and peristalsis movement to what হয় inside the esophagus. Esophagus or head to case capability as a esophagus or wall to so to muscular wall hoy, so it ki kore peristaltic movement or through food to pass kore to where, to stomach. So we have already got that here one structure, that is sphincter is present into a opening. So a sphincter to function to ki hoy ami course discuss korim. Okay, so a sphincter to ki thake, so food khini jetia ahe, then only this sphincters opens. Okay, otherwise it remains closed. Normally bondho hoi thake, jetia food khini ahi pai, then ki hoy sphincter to open up hoi jay, hi khul khai. So khul khar logel ki hoy ei food khini stomach ole ahe, stomach ole ahibo, then ahar pisot jetia ki hoy stomach to eta ki amar ami khwar logel ki hoy stomach has the capacity to dilate, bohol hoi jabo pare. So food ahar lage lage ki hoy, jetia stomach to full hoy jabo, then this opening will be closed, is sphincter to ki hoy bond hoy jay. So somehow jodi a to sphincter khula thake, okay, hoyto kiba disorder thikibo pare, naiba jodi in some cases a sphincter to jodi khula thake open up for means sorry fill hoar pisoto, then ki hobo yar pora food ওপৰলৈ যোৱাৰ চান্সেছ আছে যদি এই স্ফিংটাৰটো ওপেন হৈ থাকে, সেইটো কাৰণে ইয়াত নেচাৰেলি কি কৰিছে স্ফিংটাৰ দিছে যাতে এই ফুডখিনি ওপৰলৈ যাব নোৱাৰে, টু প্ৰিভেণ্ট দ্য backflow of food from the stomach to the esophagus. Here in the stomach it also have, means the wall of the stomach have gastric glands. তাত কি থাকে gastric glands. Okay, so gastric glands are present in where, inside the stomach, or we can say means in stomach gastric glands are found. Okay, so gastric glands se ki kore, gastric glands are actually different types of cells thake, then ei cells boror ki capacity thake in mucus secrete kore and pepsinogen, which is an enzyme. Okay, so one thing I forgot to write actually, gastric glands have different types of cells, and this gastric gland has the capacity to secrete mucus, enzyme pepsinogen and HCl. Okay, means the hydrochloric acid. It is stomach or bhitorot no hydrochloric acid or ki need ase. So hydrochloric acid or role to ki hoy, it first it softens the food, means whatever food we are taking, the food kin ki kore HCl soft kori die, as well as ami jetia khao means the food may contain some germs, isn't it? কিছুমান germs থাকিব পাৰে so HCl helps in killing the germs as well as HCl কি কৰে this enzyme actually is present in an inactive form যেনেকৈ স্ফিংটাৰটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট ক্লোজ হৈ আছিলে so ফুড অহাৰ লগে লগে ই ওপেন আপ হৈ যায় তেনেকৈ পেপচিনোজেনটো কি হয় জেনেৰেলি ইনএক্টিভ ফৰ্মত থাকে ইনসাইড দ্য ষ্টামাক ওকে so যেতিয়া HCl সিক্ৰেট হয় HCl কি কৰে পেপচিনোজেনটো এক্টিভ কৰে and এক্টিভ কৰাৰ লগে লগে পেপচিনোজেন will be converted to pepsin so এই পেপচিনটোহে আমাৰ ষ্টামাকত means digestionত help কৰে so HCl কি কৰে পেপচিনোজেনক এক্টিভেট কৰি পিনে পেপচিনলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰে then what is the role of the mucus কিয় লাগে so HCl secret হৈ আছে inside the stomach so stomachৰ wallটো কিহে protect কৰিব this will be protected by the mucus means mucus you can say mucus as a slimy substance okay so this slimy substance will protect the lining of the stomach so next is the small intestine so in the small intestine suppose if we consider this as the small intestine so here inside the small intestine some finger like structures will be present these finger like structures are known as villi why these villi are present to increase the surface area so digestion of karne surface area to means increase koribo pare for that purpose these villi are present okay and these glands means pancreas and liver we got that this secretes some juice it secretes bile juice and pancreas secretes pancreatic juice so these pour their secretion to the small intestine pancreas ki koribo junto pancreatic juice ase small intestine of dibo means it will pour its secretion and as well as liver will also pour its secretion to the small intestine along with the liver you can see a small yellow like structure so this is the gallbladder so bile juice to code store hoy gallbladder kino secret kune kori ase liver so what is the function of this bile juice actually this bile juice helps in neutralization of the acidic food of the stomach so yet HCl secret hoy and this food is acidic karon HCl ki kori ase food to soft koriছে আৰু HCl কি হৈ আছে ফুডৰ লগত মিক্স হৈ আছে so this food when it will pass to the small intestine acidic হৈ দেখিব this bile juice secreted from the liver will help in neutralization of the acidic food means সেটো কি কৰিব alkaline কৰি দিব so যেতিয়া alkaline কৰিব বা less acidic কৰিব তেতিয়া then it will be easier for the enzyme to act on those food means তেতিয়াহে enzyme act কৰি পিনে ভাঙি দিব পাৰিব the larger molecules to smaller molecule so now let us study about the actual process of digestion so digestion means the breakdown of complex food molecule into the simpler food molecule actually entire process of digestion at ki hoy first to ingestion means intake of food okay so jono human digestive system ot first ki hoy ingestion so the details itself that is the intake of food first time ki food law okay means khao ami khadya then digestion so digestion means the breakdown of complex food into simpler food molecule or simpler substance means breakdown of complex food molecule into simpler substance then after that digestion hoar pisot ki hobo absorption means the absorption will be by blood vessels okay next is the egestion means after absorption the remaining undigested food will be thrown out of our body so we can write it as thrown out of undigested food thrown out of undigested food so first we take food this is mouth means about ingestion okay So first we take food. The food may contain carbohydrate, protein or fat. So when we take food, then the salivary amylase, the enzyme which is present in the saliva, it helps in breakdown of starch into simpler substance. So it means what? It means what? The digestion of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate digestion is starting from, actually starch is what? It's a carbohydrate, and carbohydrate digestion is starting from mouth. Okay, so carbohydrate digestion, it starts from mouth. Carbohydrate digestion mouth start হলেও mouth complete নহয়, it just start হে হয়। so তার পিছত কি হ'ব, the food will be passed through the esophagus. so যদি protein খাও, আমি protein থকা বা fatty food যদি খাও, so protein fat to কি হয়, তাত কোনো ধৰণৰ digestion নহয়, just teeth হে হেতু ভাঙি দিব, and ভাঙাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ব, the food will be passed to the stomach. We got HCl is secreted, then another enzyme pepsin. Actually pepsin helps in digestion of protein. So carbohydrate digestion yet start where pisod the food will pass to the stomach, and in the stomach protein digestion will occur. So stomach ki hoy, food generally means temporary storage hoy food or karone stomach to. So stomach ki hoy, food to 4 to 5 hours hole থাকে. It is temporary storage for food. Actually অকল 4 বা 5 ঘণ্টাৰ কাৰণেহে ফুড আমাৰ কি হয়, ষ্টামাকত থাকে। সেইটো কাৰণে খোৱাৰ পিছত আমাৰ 4-5 ঘণ্টা পিছতে কি হয়, ভোক লাগে, উই ফিল হাংগ্ৰি। another importance of this sphincter কি হয়, ইয়াত যেহেতু HCl সিক্ৰেট হয়, সো যদি এই স্ফিংটাৰটো ওপেন আপ হৈ থাকে, মিন্স ফুড আহাৰ পিছতো যদি এইটো ক্লোজ হৈ নাযায়, দেন ইয়াৰ পৰা HCl এজ ৱেল এজ ফুড কি হ'ব পাৰে, বেকফ্লো হ'ব পাৰে। সো কেতিয়াবা আমাৰ কি হয়, এচিডিটি ফিল হয়। সো যোনটো ফুডটো আমাৰ 4 to 5 আৱাৰ্ছ হ'লে ষ্টামাকত থাকে, ফাৰ্ষ্ট কাৰ্বহাইড্ৰেট, প্ৰটিন, ফেট। means fat remains in our stomach for maximum hours, তাৰপিছত protein, তাৰপিছত carbohydrate. so হেতু কাৰণে আমি fatty food যেতিয়া খাও, যিকোনো fatty food খালে কি হয়, আমি বহুত সময়ৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ভোক নালাগে। that is only because it remains in the stomach for more than 4 to 5 hours, মানে বেছি সময়ৰ কাৰণে থাকে, কাৰণ ব্ৰেকডাউনত কি হয়, it takes time. then the food will pass to the small intestine. so small intestine not pass হোৱাৰ লগে লগে যোনটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্ট আছে duodenum, হেইটোত মেইনলি ডাইজেশ্যন হয়। means the remaining food যিখিনি ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱা নাই, যিখিনি কাৰ্বহাইড্ৰেট ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱা নাই, বা যিখিনি প্ৰটিনৰ ডাইজেশ্যন হোৱা নাই, or ফেট যোনটো একচুৱেলি ডাইজেশ্যন এতিয়ালৈকে ষ্টাৰ্টে হোৱা নাই। so fat, protein and this carbohydrate, it gets digested in the first part of the small intestine, that is the duodenum. so this is we can call main site of digestion. although in your book you will get that in small intestine the entire digestion gets completed, but actually it is the first part of the small intestine where the which we can call as main site of digestion. so in the small intestine junto bile juice ahibo as well as pancreatic juice, it helps in digestion. so this bile will helps in breaking the large fat molecule into the smaller fat molecule. okay, then again pancreatic juice contains two enzymes we got already. yes, the trypsin and the lipase. actually trypsin helps in digesting protein. okay, so trypsin helps in digestion of protein and lipase helps in digestion of fat. so bile, then trypsin and the lipase helps in breakdown of protein and fat molecule into simpler molecule, and after that in the duodenum the digestion will takes place, entire digestion will be completed. after that in the next part, means after duodenum, next part is the jejunum, isn't it? so in this part, yes, this is the jejunum, or you can say this is the jejunum. so jejunum is the maximum means absorption site of food. So in the jejunum, here maximum absorption will takes place. Maximum absorption of food. So here maximum absorption of food will takes place. So in this part, means in jejunum, the food will be absorbed and it will be absorbed by the blood vessels, and from the blood vessels the digested food will go to the it will go to the cells junto cell growth or karone lagibo. Then after that, once the absorption will takes place, the undigested food jikhini thakibo, it will pass to the large intestine. So the large intestine, yes, we got the three part about the cecum, colon and the rectum. So in the large intestine, the absorption of water will takes place from the undigested food, and after that, this is the rectum, and here the fecus will be stored temporarily, and after that through the anus the undigested food will be thrown out of the body. So this is the actually entire process of digestion. One thing I forgot, that is the diaphragm. Diaphragm to digestion or role play nokore, but this diaphragm separates the abdominal cavity from the thoracic cavity. So it is thoracic cavity boli koy, and this is the abdominal cavity. So diaphragm is simply just separate kore thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity. Okay, so we have completed the human digestive system, and so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Also you can mail me. So here I am writing my email ID. Also you can mail me here for any doubt. Thank you.